Hi guys, Nick here, welcome back to the channel. Hey, something a bit different. I'm going to start posting some videos about flying and aviation, including the airports and the airport lounges, and this is the first leg of a trip I'm doing over to Japan. So this is Dunedin International Airport in the South Island of New Zealand. We're going to be flying on an Airbus A320 through to Auckland today, and then from tomorrow from Auckland International Airport through to Seoul Incheon, and then on Friday from Seoul Incheon Airport through to Kansai in Japan. So don't forget to scroll down at the end of this video and see the links for the other videos connected to this trip. But what I'm going to do is just show a bit of footage of Dunedin International Airport for this video. It's a very small international airport, mainly domestic flights, but it does at times have direct flights through to Australia as well. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and we will talk to you soon. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to don't miss out on those other videos. Cheers. What I always love about Dunedin Airport is that it's in a very rural setting. People come and land at Dunedin Airport and they usually say, "Where's Dunedin?" We're out on the Taieri Plains here, about 30 minutes drive out from the city centre. A lot of dairy farming, a bit of sheep farming out this way as well, and that's the Maungatua Ranges, the hills you can see out there. So yeah, in a very rural setting, Dunedin Airport, which makes it very unique. But just the two airlines operating out of here at the moment, Air New Zealand and Jetstar. A little bit about the history of Dunedin Airport here as well. Some upcoming events for Dunedin in New Zealand. FIFA Women's World Cup. Bit of the local wildlife found in Dunedin here. Okay folks, this is our bird coming in, the New Zealand Airbus A320, taking us up to Auckland for this first leg of our journey. Just coming into the gate here on a beautiful Dunedin day. What we call a Dunner's Stunner, as you can see by the sign up there. Giant chessboard if you get bored. Like any good airport, you've got to have an arcade centre. So just looking at this great selection of local gins and whiskies from Dunedin here. We're travelling overseas and want to find a gift for someone, and just being advised I can do a bit of a wee tasting here. So, oh, are you okay? Are you happy? You don't mind if you're in it yourself? Oh. So yeah, Glenys is going to let me sample a couple. So that's thanks, Glenys.
What would you like to try?
I might try the Lover's Leap or the Dunedin Dry Gin.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is very popular, this one. But then again, like we sell most of this one here, but they sell it too at the farmers market.
Oh
and
yeah,
that one there is more popular.
The Tiki Tikaka Forest Gin. Okay.
Yeah, and I reckon that one there's more like a whiskey. I'm not a gin drinker, so yeah, I just go by what people tell me.
Yeah, I really like gin, but gin doesn't like me. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It's really nice.
The Dunners, do you want to try that?
Yeah, can I try we sample that one as well? Yeah, thanks.
I'll give you a sample of
I might compare those three.
Your lady come in the other day and she's reckoned that one.
It's really nice.
So good.
Yeah, because I like that bottle too as a gift.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You finished that one?
Yep. So we're on the Dunners, trying the Dunners gin now, team. Oh, that's nice. Like that one.
Yeah, this won a gold medal about 2 months ago.
Oh right, excellent, gold medal gin. Thank you. And this is the Dunedin Dry Gin. Great bottle too.
Which one did you like the best?
Gee, it's hard to say, they're all quite different, eh? That's got a really nice flavour. Probably that one. Hard to say though, they're all quite different.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to get a sample of the sauce. Apparently that's supposed to be a supreme one. Far above anything else here.
Well, no, thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
I'll put those
just
in there.
Great.
Thanks, Glenys, for your expertise.
Welcome.
Yeah. Oh, well, that was great, guys. Got to sample a couple of local gins here from Dunedin. Want to take some over to Japan, so just trying to pick my favourite one. But that was really nice. Thanks to Glenys there for showing me around, giving me some great information, and getting to sample some really nice gins here, all made in Dunedin locally here. So for me, it's probably out of the Lover's Leap, the Dunners Dry Gin, or the Dunedin Dry Gin, which is really nice. So better have a think about it. I'll catch you guys again soon. Really nice. And just to point out where we're located on the map here, guys, Dunedin, sunny Dunedin we call it, map of the South Islands regions. So yeah, Dunedin Airport's not the biggest international airport in the world, but jeepers, it's really nice and it's quite some great things. This is a Discover Dunedin gift shop. It's got some great products. A lot of uniquely Dunedin stuff that you won't find at other gift shops. Bit of rugby paraphernalia, great Dunedin t-shirts. Anyway team, I'm going to decide which gin I'm going to buy, or whiskey, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers! So guys, just looking out of the apron here at Dunedin International Airport, got one of the ATR 72-600s, preparing to depart for Christchurch. They do a lot of our smaller local and regional runs out of Dunedin and around the country. Great planes, they're quite a new aircraft, the ATR 600. Digital glass cockpit, quite nice to fly in. But as you can see out the front of the airport here too, very rural setting. And depending on conditions, I'll take off to the north or the south, and obviously inbound aircraft to land from the south or from the north. We'll be flying on an Airbus A320 aircraft when it arrives for our trip up to Auckland. And there's the departure lounge through here.
Hi everyone, we are a safety and security conscious airport.
But yeah, lovely spot out here in the Torrey Plains.
Unattended.
Really beautiful, especially on daylight today. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that wee glimpse of Dunedin Airport, and of course the nice gin tastings there. But look, I'll sign off for now. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, click subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers.